Starting an LLC in Ohio is a great way to protect your personal assets and give your business a solid foundation. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps so you can set it up without stress. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Your name must be unique and not already registered in Ohio. You can check availability through the Ohio Secretary of State's Business Search tool. Make sure the name includes LLC or Limited Liability Company at the end. Once you've picked a name, the next step is filing your Articles of Organization, also known as Form 610. You can submit it online or by mail with the Ohio Secretary of State. The filing fee is usually $99. This document is what officially creates your LLC. After filing, it's a smart idea to create an operating agreement. Ohio doesn't require one, but it's really helpful. An operating agreement outlines how your business will run, how profits will be shared, and how decisions will be made. Next, you'll need an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. It's free and quick to apply for online. You'll use this number for banking, taxes, and hiring employees. Ohio also requires every LLC to file a biennial report, meaning you'll update your business information every 2 years. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how to start an LLC in Ohio, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more straightforward business tips.